What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the Map TV, and we're here with another vlog, and we're joined once again with Teddy. So I think Teddy's going to do a brake install today, but I'm not sure if it's Steeder. What we're doing today, Teddy? You talk me through it.
DBA front and rear discs, Hawk pads, and also some very nice painted calipers, and also Goodridge braided lines. These are the DBA Disc Brake Australia brakes. Yeah, they are quite heavy.
Brakes.
Not as heavy as stock though, they are lighter.
Yeah.
But the key thing with these is that they are two-piece. So what this means is when you change these disc brakes, you don't have to change the entire disc brake, you just take off these nuts and change the rotor. Americans call them rotors and they are technically called rotors. So really cool bit of kit.
Let's crack on.
Tapping quietly. So before we get started on the brakes, I'm just going to talk you through what we've done on this car before, because this one is no stranger to us. It came first of all for power, so we fit the Kooks D-Cat headers, also an 18 manifold with an intake and a custom tune, giving it that upper edge on every other Mustang out there that's NA and not being as modified as this. But obviously when you up power, you want to sort of strengthen the body. So as always, it's got like our, I think it's stage 4 package sort of thing on it. It's K-brace, it already had headers on, it's got white line anti-roll bars with Steeder adjustable drop links. We've got transmission mount insert in there. Also got all the rear goodies, so we've got the adjustable toe arms, and we've got the billet vertical links. So we've got the diff bushing inserts as well. I think them ones are Steeder, we didn't fit them. But we've got another white line anti-roll bar back here. Yeah, it's a very spec'd up car. We've got the Steeder rear subframe braces with the IRS support bushings, and we've just fit this nice carbon fibre diffuser by Anderson Composites. This is a 15 car with the twin tip exhaust by X-Force. These are really good quality exhaust. They're valved as well on a remote. Yeah,
this car seems really spec'd out. I mean, going back to the last vlog, we were talking about the diff bushing as well. That was the next step you could do.
That was the next step.
So it's good to see that in place on a car.
Yeah, that was the next step up. I mean, it doesn't really matter too much which way you do them in, but we recommend you leave them till you're at the position that last car was in, and then you do your diff bushing inserts. But it is all personal preference, because this car came to us with these and like no IRS base kit and stuff like that. So we did have to do a bit of work on it, the braces and them sort of things. So
has this got adjustable drop links as well?
Yeah, adjustable drop links all around. So
wow, so yeah, really spec'd out car, and it's going to be even more spec'd out with these brakes.
Oh yeah.
So I think we should get to it.
Yeah. So we had a bit of a late start yesterday, so I've come in this morning, got all the brakes on with the new disc and pads. All the calipers are on, all the braided lines are on. I don't know if you saw these yesterday, but these are Goodridge braided brake lines. Really good quality stuff, OEM fitment, really nice easy fit. So yeah, we'll show you the rear calipers because we didn't see them yesterday. So again, DBA discs with Hawk pads with the Goodridge braided lines. So we've got D on the front of this car now. He's fitting the oil cooler as you saw in vlog 3. Same thing, nice preventative mod. Next for me is I'm going to install front Steeder adjustable drop links. The rears are already on, and then onto the carbon fibre deck lid that I'm installing. Deck lids are really cool, the nice easy mod you can do at home. If you want a professional to do it, it is advised if you're using carbon fibre because it's not always the best fit. But yeah, there's so many options. The deck lids out there is literally limitless. You can even make your own if you like, so it's going to be really cool. So we've got the old deck lid off, the standard GT one, which is with a fake fuel filler cap. The new ones don't come with any clips or screw holding clips or a camera. So yeah, we've got to swap all this onto the new one, then the new one on the car, and then we're all done. So we've got everything back on the car now. All that's left to do really now is a road test and then we're all sorted. Customer can come collect it. Thanks for watching, guys.
All right, thanks for tuning in and we hope to see you all in the next video. Please give it a like, comment and subscribe.